In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your cable on your hinged cargo door from your interior door handle to the latch on your Ford E-350 Super Duty. All right, using a Phillips head, we're going to unscrew these two screws for the door handle. You can set that off to the side. Next, we're going to take out these grommets for the door panel. I'm going to use a trim tool with some leverage, because these are a little tough to undo. So I'm going to slide it under. All right, you're going to need a longer tool to get this one. So we're going to disconnect this over here first. To do that, you're going to take a trim tool, maybe a flathead screwdriver if you need it, or just pull. And you're going to take it out of that first. So you're going to pull this lever down. You're going to take the ball and you're going to rotate it out. And then you can get it free. All right, so now we're going to take this cable out. To do that, you're going to pull this cable this way towards the front of the car. And it's a little tough to see in there. You might have to go by feel. But you can also, there's a little hole in the door panel that you can look through to see what you're doing. So now you're gonna push the cable. You're gonna use a pick that's got like a right angle hook shot on it. And you're gonna pull this back enough to get the cable out. Go up and over that lever once you have it pulled back. So up and over and out. You're going to take your cable and you're going to feed it up into the door panel. You're going to take your pick, pull back on this lever, and put the ball of the cable through. Once you get it up and over, you're going to let go of that lever, and you're going to feed the plastic piece into the notches where it lives. Then you're going to take the other end of the cable and pull it and make sure it's moving that lever like it should. From this point, we're going to go to our interior door handle. You're going to feed your cable through on the bottom and work your way up, and then you're going to slide this plastic piece into the grooved area on the cable. Push it in. Now you make sure that it works, and we're good to go. All right, so I'm going to put this lower one in first, since that was the hardest one to get to. And now I'm going to work my way around. Push in the door panel. Okay, now we can put our door handle back on. All right, make sure those are nice and snug. And now you can try shutting your door and opening it and make sure everything works right, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.